Fit on Fitness and Yoga Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people quit fitness programs because they are boring or expensive. You won't believe how many workouts you can access for free. FitOn is a fitness app offering yoga, cardio, strength training, Pilates, and meditation classes. Many workouts are available without payment, making it one of the most accessible fitness apps. Classes range from beginner to advanced, and sessions can be as short as 5 minutes. The surprising truth is that FitOn includes celebrity trainers and structured programs that rival paid platforms. If you want convenient home workouts with flexible schedules, FitOn is worth trying. Subscribe now for more honest wellness reviews. Title start Snap survey honest review. Watch before using title BNE script start Snap survey honest review. Watch before using. Most people think all survey platforms work the same. But here's why that assumption can cost you time, money, and valuable data. You won't believe how many businesses collect bad feedback simply because they used the wrong tool. Snap Surveys is a professional survey and research platform designed for businesses, universities, healthcare groups, and government organizations. It focuses on advanced data collection, analysis, and reporting rather than simple one-question polls. Snap Surveys allows you to build detailed questionnaires with logic, branching, scoring systems, anonymous responses, and multi-language support. This means your surveys can change based on how someone answers, which dramatically improves data accuracy. The surprising truth about good research is that intelligent question flow increases completion rates by a large margin. You can distribute surveys by email, web link, mobile devices, or tablets for in-person data collection. For example, a clinic can collect patient feedback at checkout, while a company can send satisfaction surveys after a purchase. Snap Surveys also provides deep reporting tools that generate charts, graphs, and downloadable reports for presentations or compliance audits. Many organizations use it to meet regulatory reporting requirements. However, Snap Surveys is not built for casual users. It is more powerful than free survey tools, but it comes with a learning curve and higher pricing. Most people get this wrong, but here's why that matters. If you only need quick opinion polls, this platform may feel too complex. Snap Surveys is best for organizations that rely on accurate, structured feedback to make decisions. If you want professional-grade research tools, this platform can be a strong investment. Subscribe now for more honest software reviews and business tools breakdowns.